quick view here. It isn't every day that somebody gets to see so much currency, like banknotes, cashier checks. We have 6 proofs, each 9,000 BOIDIOS from El Banco Boidio. So that totals 54,000 BOIDIOS. And I added a bit of hand coloring with colored pencil to point out the beak and the cere. That's spelled C-E-R-E, not S-E-E-R, but it's C-E-R-E, of the parakeet, budgerigar, as the British say, in each of the 9,000 BOIDIOS banknotes. Oops, no battery here. Got to walk over to the budgie hotels really quickly. My friends would appreciate a hello, a nice little chortle cheep. There's Blanche de Boyd on the right. On the left, His Royal Highness Princess Sibylla. Hi, nice wings, gorgeous, gorgeous. And over here on the swing, we have Berkey Working Museum Chief Curator, one of the Chief Ornithologist, art critic, CHI, C-H-I, acronym of Carol Heather Ivy. And in the back there, we have His Excellency Prime Minister Mazel Yuramovich, nicknamed Mazel. All right, thank you. I'm so glad that you are appreciative of the new artwork, which you all did a stunning job of posing for as models. Excellent. All right, there you have it.